Hey guys, welcome back to.
Life with the Sequeras.
So a very good afternoon. We all are heading over somewhere or the other. I'm going to the venue because I'm emceeing a wedding. It's an afternoon wedding, and baby is heading over to her favorite place. She's
Mummy's place.
mummy's place,
I'm
and
in my Micah for about a week. So baby has all the freedom to do whatever he wants to do.
yeah, so not there. No. So I can do whatever I want at home. I can keep things wherever I want. And of course, one day before she comes in, I'll have to clean the house. ऐसा ही
My
होता
hair
है.
is looking brown in the sun.
हाँ
So
ना?
long I've come out in the sun.
Yes. So Bagu, आजचा दिवस.
Kasa jato? We have some wedding or what? In our building.
Show them that, no? See what is there exactly.
Yeah, some decor has been put. What
I
happened?
kept my mobile pouch behind.
Oopsie.
So I've just parked the car here. Now we are waiting for a rickshaw so baby can go to her mummy's place. Got a rickshaw, baby? Come. What saman? It's open here, like dicky and all. So baby will now go to mummy's place.
My purse. Huh?
We've stopped a rickshaw. I'll get it. Go. Take. ठीक है चलो बाय थैंक यू.
काय बनवलंय मम्मीने? टँग. सो क्यूट. लेट्स ट्राय दिस. सो गुड, सो टेस्टी. ऑल आय एम थिंकिंग इज एवढ्या दिवसापासून मी का नाही कधी हे बनवलं. थँक्यू मम्मी. It brings me back like I go to my childhood actually.
So guys, something happened. Lolly had called me. He's like, Rich, please pick up my stuff from home. He requested, so I couldn't decline. And I dropped baby, but I didn't realize that my petrol is reaching to bare minimum. And I had other things in mind as well, and it skipped for my mind to go and fill in petrol. So, and then when I went to pick up the bags from Lolly's place, there was huge traffic, and it was a standstill traffic, not moving at all. And my petrol was about to get over, so I parked the car at Lolly's, took a rickshaw, and now I'm traveling to the venue. And later on, I'll see what to do because the petrol is so low that it will not go for more than 5 kilometers. And my petrol pump is at 7 to 8 kilometers. So I now need to figure out what to do. I'll leave that after the wedding reception, so let's see how it works. And now I'm carrying all these bags with me and going to the venue. Oh, so many bags. Of course, my sherwani, I'm carrying it and going. Sweating already. That's the bride. It's going on YouTube. Where's the groom? So guys, I'm already at the venue. Crowd hasn't come as yet, and waiting for them to come in. If you can see, not much crowd. बहुत कम लोग, hardly 8 to 10 people. An expected crowd for the function 500. So we'll wait for them. And today we have DJ Rodney in the house. So I'm waiting for him. Banda hasn't come as yet. So we'll wait for him. And our DJ for tonight is here, DJ Rodney. How are you, Baba?
The best.
How are you?
Just fine. So hot, man. It is crazy hot, bro.
Yeah, I had a lot of work
What work?
because of you. I had to park my car at your place and then come here.
Don't worry, I'll take you on my premium Rapido.
Rapido, yes,
Premium
yes. We'll
Rapido.
check it out. We'll
Check
check
it
it out.
out.
Who's here? Melvina is here. And of course, Nashu, say hi to everyone. Yeah, hi, yes. They're coming on the vlog. Say hi to everybody. Hi. Did you have dinner? You're having dinner? Come, we'll eat food, okay? Come. Show got over. Rodney, how was the show? मजा आया?
तोड़फोड़
भूख लगा है, अभी खाना खाते
हाँ,
हैं.
मेरा पब्लिक लोग आगे ऑलरेडी गया है.
चलो चलो
Everyone
खाते हैं.
set up on top, they came down. You have to see the setup on top.
Yeah, I have to see Rodney's setup. We'll show it to you guys as well. Chalo, let's have dinner first. Melvina, what are you waiting for?
Waiting for my Rapido rider to come.
Rapido? What Rapido?
Rapido Premium.
Rapido Premium? Seriously?
Very soon will be a new premium option which I got.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? Premium. I would like to see this. What is this? Rapido Premium. Rapido Premium.
My rider is coming.
The rider is coming. Oh, Rapido.
Oh, my premium rider.
Oh, ho.
Yes, yes, yes.
एक नंबर. मस्त है रे. Premium. हाँ.
Premium Rapido.
Premium Rapido. Oh, he knows where to sit and all. हाँ? एक नंबर, एक नंबर.
Ultraviolet X47.
क्या?
Ultraviolet.
Ultraviolet.
Yes. It's a Bangalore-based company.
Oh, nice. We'll do its promotion later. Chalo, now I'll go to their house because my car is parked there and not here with me. Hey, hey, hey. So I'm going on a ride. Rapido Premium. Huh? Sit no fast. I want to sit. And Melvina, अरे बाबा बहुत हाइटेड है रे ये. Dude, what the fuck? What is this?
It's a crossover, bro.
How do I stand? How do I sit?
Sports, it's a ADV.
How do I sit?
Put your leg on top over here and sit.
You serious? You serious? पकड़.
Yo.
लेफ्ट ना भाई.
ये कुछ दिखाने का.
किधर जा रहा है उल्टा रास्ता? ए ब्रो, इतना स्पीड में मत जा. अरे ये
Good.
हाँ, it's too good. बड़ा बाइक. हॉर्न मार के दिखा. सेम लाइक अ स्कूटर ओनली. Nice. Finally, with Lolly's help and of course Little Nash, I am filling my petrol. I was missing my car, but amazing bike हाँ. Lolly मस्त है. Speed अच्छा है उसका. हो गया? थोड़ा और डालो ना भैया. हाँ. So guys, I'm back home. I had a long day. I had to drop baby at mummy's place, and then from there I had to go and do the show. As you all know, petrol ka locha tha. So it went a bit chaotic, and then I reached home late as well. Now tomorrow I have 2 shows. So again a long day. So I'm going to sleep now. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमचं चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.